Hello students, my name is Rajan Kumar. Today I am going to discuss the video on probability. It is topic of class 10 mathematics. Look at this. First I will define what is the word means probability. The possibility of well-defined object. The possibility of well-defined object is called probability. What is the meaning of this? Possibility of well-defined object means the object that you can count easily, that is not qualitative, it should be quantitative, and it is easily defined, it is well defined. So that is called probability. Probability of any event equal to number of event by number of total events. Okay? So we can say in symbolic form P of E equal to N of E by N of S. S means total sum. Okay. So E for event, P for probability. Here probability of any event should lies between 0 and 1. It may be equal to 0, it may be equal to 1. So this formula is known as empirical probability. Okay. Now probability of any event will be 0, that is called impossible event. I mean, suppose the example is coming, find the natural number between 3 and 4. So this is the case of impossible event. If the probability is 1 coming, that is called sure event. If we talk in group, if you go in a class and there are 50 students and we talk about what is the possibility of 50 students. What is the possibility of student? So all are students and total number of students is also student, so 50 by 51. That means we have to talk about in group, in complete concept. And it is sure event or complete event, we can say. Okay. In general cases, probability of any event must lies between 0 and 1. Okay. That's all. And after this, I will discuss some questions. Okay. First it is on tossing a coin. On tossing a coin. When we toss a coin, here head and tail, they are two events. Okay? So we can say number of events will be 2. As the base, formula is P of total, it is 2 to the power n. And here n is number of coins. Number of coins. How many coins you are tossing? As your base, on tossing a coin contains head and tail. And coins should be unbiased. Unbiased means both sides different events are there. One side head, another side tail, like this. So number of event is 2, and there is a formula because head and tail, there are two numbers. The base is 2 to the power n. If you toss one coin, that means 2 to the power 1. Number of possible outcomes will be 2 to the power 1 and 2. Then probability of head equal to number of head by total. In this case, number of head is 1, total is 2. So probability of head equal to how much? 1 by 2. Now, the question is probability of not head. Probability of not head. Okay. Probability of not head equal to how much? Number of not head by number of total. Also equal to 1 by 2. Number of not head means 10. I am talking about the 10. The number of not head by number of total 1 by 2. So here the formula is coming probability of head plus probability of not head equal to 1. So last is formula probability of any event plus probability of not of that event, the sum will be 1, and it is called complementary event. That is called complementary event. Complementary events. Complementary events means what? If the probability of head we know, and if we have to find the probability of not head, so what is the probability of head? We have to subtract from 1. Okay. Suppose we are going to play a match and the possibility of your winning is 55%. So what is the probability of not winning? 45%. If not any draw is going on, there is no tie. So in that case, probability of any event and probability of not of that event, the sum will be 1. Clear? So that is called complementary events. Clear, my dear? Now we can say like this. Yeah. On tossing 2 coins. On tossing 2 coins. On tossing 2 coins. On tossing 2 coins. Okay, yeah, 1 coin is tossed 2 times, both are same. On tossing 2 coins, yeah, one coin is tossed 2 times, both are same. So 1 coin also head and tail, another coin also head and tail. The head to head, head to tail, tail to head, tail to tail. Okay, so here possible outcomes are head head, head tail, tail head, okay, and this is tail tail, like this. The number it is total 4. Now the question is coming, what is the probability of doublet? What is the probability of doublet? Doublet means both are head, both are tail. Okay, doublet means both are head, both are tail. The number of doublet by total. So here it is, in doublet we are considering about headed and tail tail. So it is 1 by 2 by 4 and that is okay. So look at this, on tossing 3 coins, head head, and head head head, head tail head head tail, tail head head, tail head tail, head tail head, head tail tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. Okay, like this. Now, so how many outcomes are there? There are total 8. Okay. Now question is coming, what is the probability of at least 2 head? The at least 2 head is 2 head and 3 head. It is counted. The 3 head counted 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Okay, 4 times. So here it is 4 by 8, 1 by 2. Okay, probability of at most 2 tail. Maximum chance of coming tail is 2. So in that one, maximum chance of coming tail is 2. The 2 tail, 1 tail, no tail. The 2 tail, this, 1 tail this, 1 tail this, no tail this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all are counted. This one also counted. This one also counted. This one also counted. Only these 3 tail is not counted. So here it is 7 by 8. Now probability of triplet. Probability of triplet. So only 1 triplet is there. 1 by 8. Clear? It is 1 by 8. Clear, my dear? Now, I am going to discuss throwing a dice. Throwing a dice. Okay? So, on throwing a dice, there are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this numbers are there. What is the probability of prime number? What is the probability of prime number? The prime number is 2, 3, 5. Okay, so here number of prime number by total. What is the total is there? Total is 6. Okay, so prime number is 2, 3, 5. 3 numbers are there. 3 by 6, 1 by 2. What is the even prime? Even prime is there. What is even prime? Only 2. So it is 1 by 6. Okay, like this. Now if you throw two dice simultaneously, on throwing two dice, simultaneously. Okay. Now, so if you throw two dice simultaneously, there will be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one is 6. Okay. Now, here it is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this one number, like this we can say, yes, we can consider like this. Yes. So here it will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, okay, 1, 6. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, like that. Okay. So 1, 1. Similarly, we can go 3, 3. Okay. 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and this one is 6, 6. Okay. Now, what is the sum of both number? 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, in this video, I just show what is the probability of coming doublet. The doublet you know 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So, probability of doublet it is how much? It is 6 by 36, 1 by 6. Okay, 6 by 36, 1 by 6. Now, sum of number on both dice is even. Sum of number on both dice is even. The even here, 1, 1, 2, sum is 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, like this. So, this is even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16, 17, 18. So, probability of even sum equal to even. It will be 18/36, that means 1 by 2. Thank you.